So what you can also do is add in bullet points and numbered list, that is ordered and unordered list as you want in Affinity. So for that, I'm going to grab a text box right here, or a regular text as you can see, and I'm going to say, let's say for example, this is first step right here. I'm going to press enter and say this is second step right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and type in third step right here, and I'm going to say fourth step right here, just like this. So now you can go ahead and select them out, and if you were to go around over here onto the top, click on bulleted list, then you can see that I got 4 bullet lists right here. So if I were to go ahead and press enter, I can go ahead and add in another list as well. I can select all of these, and I can even go ahead and turn it into a numbered list. And if I were to go to, let's say for example, any of the text, press enter, then what happens is that you got the fourth step right here. Press enter, you got right here, just like this. Press enter right here, and if you were to remove out the numbered list, then you simply have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 right here. You can even go ahead and select out one part of the text, turn it into a bullet list as well, and the other into a numbered list. So that is how you can go ahead and add in ordered list, that is with 1, 2, 3, 4, or unordered list, that is with bullet points right here, just like this, while adding in text inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.